Good morning, all of you. Welcome back once again. Can you hear my voice clearly? Okay. Please open your videos. Please open your video. Okay. Let us start today's lecture, today's class. Put today's date. Put today's date. Give a heading. One's complement representation. One's complement. Actually, this chapter is totally theoretical. We do not have any program or something like that in this chapter. Okay. See, yesterday or in the previous class, I told that we have two classification to represent binary number. Okay. One is sign magnitude representation and another one was complement. Within the complement, we have two more classification. One's complement representation and the second one is two's complement representation. So today we are going to discuss about the one's complement representation. Before starting this, let us have a review of sign magnitude representation, because one's complement representation is based on sign magnitude representation. Okay. What I mean to say that if I talk about the positive value, suppose +5. If somebody say to you, represent +5 in sign magnitude representation, using 4 bits or using 6 bits, So in sign magnitude representation, we have understand that 1 bit is reserved for the positive value, negative value, and the remaining is going to represent magnitude. So if I say to you, represent +5, so how will you represent +5? 6 bits. It is a positive, put 0. And the remaining bits means 5 bits. With the help of 5 bits, I am going to represent 5. 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. 1, 0, 1. I will write here 1, 0, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits. This is the representation of +5 in 6 bits in sign magnitude representation. Okay. Now come to the one's complement representation. In one's complement representation, we represent positive value in the same manner. If somebody asks you, represent +5 in one's complement. In one's complement, I am going to write the same thing. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 in 6 bits. Any confusion? No. Now here very interesting is that generally, see, actually the most important point is that complement, one's complement or two complements, two's complement, both are generally we use for representing the negative value. Actually, let me repeat once again. One's complement representation, two's complement representation, we use generally to represent negative value, because some reason is there that you will understand slowly what is the advantage and what is the disadvantage. Today I am going to discuss also about the advantage and disadvantage of sign magnitude representation as well as one's complement. So first of all, let us understand what is the meaning of one's complement. Okay. So till now, what I have told you, to represent positive value, we have same logic in both the cases, sign magnitude representation and one's complement. Clear now? How you are going to represent negative value? Means if I want to represent -5 in one's complement, -5 in one's complement. Before writing one's complement, did you remember the yesterday class how we write -5 in sign magnitude representation? Sign magnitude representation. Very simple. Let me write down here in SMR. 1. We are writing 1 for negative, and rest will remain as it is only. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is value of -5. This is the value of -5 in sign magnitude representation. Okay, sir, how we will write in one's complement? This is very important. Very simple logic is there. Before writing any negative value in one's complement, first of all, you write down its positive value. Write down its positive value. For example, I want to write -5 in one's complement. So before that, first of all, you write down +5 in one's complement. Already I have written here. Now -5 in one's complement is nothing. Very simple concept. Just replace. Very important. Note down in your copy also. Replace 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. What will be the answer here? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is nothing but -5 in one's complement. Have you understand? Very simple topic it is, not much more it is there. One's complement. This is the way to write one's complement of negative value. Positive, we have a same concept. What we were writing in sign magnitude representation. Sign magnitude representation. Just replace 0 with 1. Just replace 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So if you want to note down anything else in one's complement, I don't think so that any important definition is there. Only one thing is there. If you want to write down something about the one's complement, I will take some more example. Don't worry. I know. What will you write for one's complement? In this form, positive numbers are their normal binary equivalent. Binary equivalent. While negative, while negative numbers are the ones complement, For the negative value only we are using for representing the ones complement. Ones complement of the normal binary representation of the magnitude. If you read this definition, you will confuse. You will little bit confused. But don't worry, I am going to explain the definition also, and we will make one conclusion. See what he is telling that. Let me take once again example. Plus 5 in 6 bits. How will you write plus 5? In one's complement. So same, sir, same. What we have learned in sign magnitude representation. We will put 0, 1, 0, 1, and 2 more bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits. Plus 5. Minus 5. How will you write? In one's complement. This is also one's complement. How will you write in one's complement? Now read the definition. Positive numbers are their normal binary equivalent. Positive number will be normal binary equivalent. See, binary equivalent. Very important. While negative numbers are the one's complement. You have to take the one's complement of whose one's complement? One's complement of the normal binary representation of the magnitude. Can you tell me in this binary representation which part is the magnitude? This part is called magnitude. So he is telling that while negative numbers are one's complement of the normal binary representation of the magnitude. Take one's complement of magnitude. This is magnitude. One's complement. This 0 make it 1 and 1 make it 0. So I am going to write here 1, 0, 1 and 0. And for negative, since it is a negative value, so write down here 1. I understand you got confused. Conclusion is that conclusion is that write the binary representation of any positive value and replace. Simple concept. If you want to understand with the definition I have explained, otherwise a very simple conclusion. Replace each 0 with 1 and replace 1 with 0 including sign bits. Including sign bits. Write down these points. In your copy, write down note. What will you write in the note? To represent negative value in one's complement. To represent negative value in one's complement, comma, we replace 0 with 1, 0 with 1, and 1 with 0, and 1 with 0, including sign bits, don't say bits, bit, including sign bit. Full stop. This is the rule for representing negative value, And what about positive value? It will remain same, as it is. If you want to note down that this also. For positive value, write down, for positive value it will remain, for positive value it will be same, it will remain same, what we have done in sign magnitude representation. What we have done in sign magnitude representation. Okay, have you understand? So one thing we have learned, how to write positive value, negative value in one's complement, how to write. Let us take some more example. If I say to you, write minus 13 in one's complement representation, using 8 bits. Minus 13, you have to write down minus 13 in one's complement form, representation, using 8 bits. So what is the rule? First of all, you write down its positive value. So how will you write plus 13? How will you write plus 13? Anushka is telling to me answer is, sir, 4 Z confusion. She is writing 1 time 0 next time. Satyam telling 4 1 0 0 1 0, something like that. They are telling this answer. One's complement representation. First of all, write down for plus 13 in 8 bits. 1 2 4 8 sufficient. I will get 13. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13 1 1 0 1. Since it is a positive value, I will write 0 here 1 1 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8. Total 8 bits. Out of 8 bits, 1 is for sign bit and remaining is for magnitude. Remaining is for magnitude. Written plus 13. Now minus 13. Minus 13. In one's complement form. In one's complement form. Very simple logic. Sir, replace 0 with 1, 1 with 0. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0. Minus 13. Suppose if I say to you, write down minus 13 in sign magnitude representation. In sign magnitude representation. So how will you write minus 13 in sign magnitude representation? How will you write minus 13? It is a negative value. 1. Yesterday only we have discussed. 1. Yeah. Again, confusion. Ayush Kumar. 0. Write down here 1. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. Minus 13. This is the representation of minus 13 in sign magnitude representation. This is the representation of minus 13 in one's complement form. In one's complement form. Okay. System uses sign magnitude representation also for negative value. Computer uses one's complement also for representing positive and negative values. For positive and negative values. Now, let us continue the topic. After knowing about the sign magnitude representation, after knowing the one's complement representation, sir, both we are using for to represent positive value, negative value. Then what is advantage? What is disadvantage? Something. Let us discuss that part. For in sign magnitude representation, advantage is that very easy to write, and very easy to read also. This is one of the major advantage of sign magnitude representation. Let me repeat once again. Very easy to write and very easy to read. Major disadvantage. See. Come to the topic 0. We know that in real life, 0 neither positive nor a negative. But if I am going to the sign magnitude representation, I am using the sense of computer. So how will you represent 0? If I say represent minus 0, in sign magnitude representation, minus 0, what answer you are going to get? 1. This is major drawback in sign magnitude representation. In sign magnitude representation, we having two representation. We have two representation of for 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. This is the major drawback. In real life, we know that plus 0 minus 0 both are same. We do not have any positive value. We do not have a negative 0. But if you are thinking with respect to the computer, with respect to the sign magnitude representation, here I am going to get two representation. This is a major drawback. This drawback has been removed. In 2's complement. The same drawback is remain in 1's complement also. Now see. I'm talking about the disadvantage of one's complement. Disadvantage of one's complement. In one's complement also we have the same disadvantage. We have the same disadvantage. Plus 0, minus 0. How will you write 0, 0, 0, 0? And how will you write minus 0? 1, 1, 1, 1. In one's complement. Again, same drawback. Here also I am having two representation of 0 in one's complement. 0, 0, 0. If I want to make a minus 0, so I am writing 1, 1, 1. Two representation for 0. Again, drawback. So this drawback has not been removed in sign magnitude representation and in one's complement representation. The question is that, sir, what is the advantage of one's complement? Same advantage. Easy to write negative value. Easy to represent negative value. Easy to represent negative value. This is about the one's complement. This is about the one's complement representation. This advantage, disadvantage is given in your book also, no problem. That is why I am not dictating you, I am not writing on the blackboard. Advantage and disadvantage is given in your book also. This is the major drawback, major disadvantage of sign magnitude representation and one's complement representation. Still some more disadvantages there that we will understand little bit further when I will teach you binary operation. Binary operation means we are going to learn addition, subtraction on binary values. On binary value, how the computer add binary values, how computer subtract binary values. So there we will understand some more disadvantage of sign magnitude, one's complement. Okay. Till now, what we have understand about the one's complement, how to write one's complement. Okay. Now come to the second part. How will you read? How will you read? Suppose if I say to you 1011, this value is given in one's complement. This binary value is given in one's complement. Can you tell me which negative value it is? Which negative value it is? Can you tell me? Directly we cannot read. Directly we cannot read. Whereas in sign magnitude representation, we can easily read. But in one's complement, you cannot read directly. So what I am going to do, it is already in one's complement. Write down again. Take once again one's complement. Take once again one's complement. Take again one's complement. Take once again complement. So what will you get? 0, 1, 0, 0. This value you can read. This value you can read. This value you can read. 0 is a positive value. 1, 0, 0. 1, 2, 4. Sir, this is plus 4 value. If this is plus 4 value, it means that this is nothing but minus 4. This is nothing but minus 4. So this is the concept, this is the logic, how to read one's complement value. Directly you cannot read. Now suppose 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 given one's complement. Given in one's complement. question is wrong. We cannot say. This is Anushka is telling answer is a plus 18. No, okay, question is correct. One's complement. 0 is here. So one thing we can understand is that it is nothing a positive value only. It is a positive value only. It is a positive value only in one's complement form. In one's complement form. So plus and remaining 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. 12 plus 1. It is nothing but plus 13. It is nothing but plus 13. Yes, some of you were telling plus 18 or something like that. Nihal has said it correct. 13 plus 13. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Given in the ones complement. First bit 0. So we have understand that it is the positive value. In one's complement form. In one's complement form. So write down as it is. Let us take one more time. One more value. One. Suppose. In one's complement, it has been given to you. One's complement, it has been given to you. One thing is very clear. Last value is 1, negative value. But question is that which negative value? Which negative value? You cannot find out directly. We cannot find out directly. Do one thing. Take one's complement again. Take one's complement again. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0 means plus 0. It is nothing but minus 0. Plus 0. It is nothing but minus 0. In one's complement form. In one's complement form. In one's complement form. Let me take one more example. Value is given in one's complement form. One thing is very clear. It is a negative value. It is a negative value. It is a negative value. Which negative value? Which negative value? Find out which negative value. Minus 40. Aryan telling to me minus 40. Snigdha is also telling minus 40. Khushi minus 40. Okay. Most of you are telling minus 40. Ayush, Kesharwani, minus 40. Arpi Jaiswal also telling me minus 40. Okay, most of you are telling minus 40. It means that correct answer it is minus 40. How did you find out? Take one's complement again. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32 plus 8, 9, 10. 32 plus 8, 40. And here it is 0. So this is the binary representation of plus 40. This is the binary representation of plus 40. Sure and certain, this value is nothing but minus 40. Minus 40 in one's complement. In one's complement. In one's complement. A very interesting topic we are learning these days. So one thing today also we have learned what is the meaning of one's complement. What is the main role of one's complement? If somebody asks, you can say that sir, one's complement is generally famous for representing the negative value. Positive value we represent as it is only. And Second thing, what we have learned, how to write, how to read one's complement value. Okay, time is about to get over. So now next time, very important topic we are going to discuss about, two's complement. So whatever the drawback, whatever the disadvantage were there in these two representations, that has been removed in two's complement. Okay, we will see, and
Sir,
we will see. Wait. We will see. And mostly all the computers support two's complement representation. This is very important point to be noted down. All the computer nowadays, whatever the computer we are using, they support two's complement representation of any number. Yes. Now, who have a doubt? Somebody has said to me, sir.
yes, sir.
Just tell your name also or raise your hand. Mohammad Azam. Okay. Tell me.
Sir, Azam.
Yeah, Azam.
Sir, how will the computer differentiate between one's component and binary form?
How computer differentiate?
Sir, how will the computer know that we are giving the value in binary form or in one's component?
We never give the value in binary form. We always give the value in decimal number. 45. We press minus 45. Computer manage. Their duty. We have a circuit diagram for that. They will manage how to write minus 45 so that computer can understand. This is not my responsibility.
Okay, sir.
That is not my responsibility.
Okay, sir.
We know internally how computer understand minus 45. Now it depends on computer also, whether computer is using sign magnitude representation or whether computer is using one's complement. Which circuit he is using.
Okay, sir.
That is the main thing. So we should have a knowledge of both. Sign magnitude, one's complement also. Now one more thing is there, two's complement. That also we are going to learn. And most of the computer uses two's complement. Very important topic it was. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.